Welcome to the Valley View Secondary School Day Map Parent Portal Access tutorial. This demonstration is for new users, and those whom require their account password to be reset. If you are a returning user and have forgotten your password to the Parent Portal, please follow this same process. On your laptop, computer or tablet, please open a web browser and navigate to https://valleyview.sa.edu.au. Click on the furthest right button, on the navigation bar, called Portal Links. This will take you to a page showing a variety of useful links or shortcuts. Click on the Day Map Parent Portal link. If this is your first time accessing the Parent Portal, click on the Forgot Your Password link. Enter the email address you used at the time of your child's enrollment. You will also need to enter your child's school ID number. Then click Reset Password. An email will be sent to the nominated account. This will display your Day Map account name similar to what is displayed here in bold lettering. This will also be accompanied by a Reset Password link. You will need to click on the link or copy and paste it into your web browser to proceed. If you did not receive an email, please be sure to check your spam or junk email folders. To continue, click on the web link provided. This will open a page prompting you to create a new password for your account. To finish, click the Set Password button. You will be automatically taken back to the login page. Enter your account name and your newly created password, followed by the Sign In button. The home page will be shown. Here you can find information at a glance. A messaging component. A calendar. Newsletters. Parent notices. And account info tabs. Please note that clicking on your child's name, at the top of the home page, will provide greater information regarding their academic progression. Items like class activities, tasks and homework, timetabled calendar, weekly overview, detailed attendance figures, assessment progress, student documents, reports, records, and My Account. We hope that you found this tutorial helpful, and thank you for watching.